Hi, welcome to the Bible in Hebrew How-To video series. My name is Annette, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, remove, and rearrange the translation languages and even decode the Hebrew Bible word by word. When you begin using BibleInHebrew.com, the three default languages are English, French, and Spanish. To change the selection of translation languages, go ahead and click or tap the globe icon in the Features menu. You'll find a menu of 35 languages to choose from, each listed in their native spelling. To add a new language, simply check the box next to it, and to take a language away, uncheck it. You can add or remove as many languages as you like, and they will stack on top of each other in the order listed. Your language selection applies to every verse shown on the scroll, and any verse range you select in the future. You can also reorder translation languages by dragging them up or down in the list. One benefit of seeing different languages together at the same time is how easily you can compare and contrast how the different words relate to each other. Not only will you start to pick up Hebrew by reading the Bible, but you'll also have a chance to explore other languages quickly and effortlessly. You might be wondering about the Hebrew word translation language menu at the top and what it does. When you highlight a single Hebrew word, you will see the roughly translated equivalent of that Hebrew word in seconds. To change the language, all you have to do is select from the Word Translation menu. Highlight the same word, and you'll get the new translation. Try out as many languages as you like, and if you have any questions or comments, send us your feedback by filling out the simple message form here, or email us at support@BibleInHebrew.com. Thank you for watching.